Well, here we are again, ladies and gentlemen. We are back with another episode of Bird Watchers. And look what we have here, folks. We have two ducks, a male and a female. Solid. And they have just wandered and waddled themselves right up here back on the dooryard. And look over here to our left, folks. We have some hens. Oh, he's being reluctant. His fellow is just waddling their way right over to the water. Well, what the fuck? Yes, no. Whack. Oh, wow. I wonder where the guinea hens could be. My goodness. What a great day to be a bird watcher, eh? What a great day to be a bird watcher. From blue jays to ducks, waterfowl, guinea fowl. Wow. Oh goodness, I was so hooked up I wasn't even zooming in properly. Oh my goodness. Look at the reflection. Oh my dear. That is a golden goose shot. That is one in a mallard. 1 in a million mallards shot right there. Video, that is. No, definitely video. Wow, he's riddling himself really well there in my yard, though. Easy there, fellows. Easy. I tend that area of the lawn. Yes, thank you now, thank you. Speaking of tend the lawn, that should be on the playhouse. My oh my, the slide blew right off. Wow. I am wandering away from the really good shots. Yes. Go on now. Go on and be merry little mallards. Oh, here's some crows missing out on the action. Being very jealous as always. Oh my dear. I think he's testing me. Rakakan, ruku. They were over there pecking away at the piece down. Lovely. Rakaku.
They're only tiny.
They haven't fattened up yet. Just back here.